Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you a unit, or this review is about the Janet collection wig Oasis. It is a 13x6 lace parting space unit, you guys. HD lace. She's part of that Milk collection, okay? She's at 13x6 once again, you guys, with a natural hairline. Pre-plucked, may I add. She's transparent Swiss lace with 100% hand-tied parting. So I'm going to go ahead and take her out of the pack, and we're going to go ahead and discuss Miss Oasis in the color Butler Scotch. Not Butterscotch, Butler Scotch, okay? I remember the first time I saw that, you guys, I thought it said Butterscotch, and I actually put it on the channel when I did the video, Butterscotch, but it's actually Butler Scotch. So I had to go back and type that in the description box of one of them. And this is Miss Oasis with that 13x6 party. Straight out of the pack, you guys, with the stock card here. And she does come in a lot of other colors. Okay. She has an adjustable elastic wig band in the inside that's pre-installed, as well as you can see here on the front of the stock card. All right. And she has a ventilated wefted cap. So many beautiful colors on the back. I just have to show you that again. Beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. So let me go ahead on and take her out so we can look at this cap construction. Now, she does have that yellow skin tone lace. So you can see. So she's going to come off ashy, all right? She does have baby hairs as well. There they are. Long baby hairs, kind of long. Look like one big curl, but that is a actual baby hair. Those are baby hairs, all right? And there's that part. Okay. And the inside, this is your 13x6 parting space. Here are your two ear combs. Your neck comb. And you can see those adjustable straps. Everything just hanging and hanging, okay? Adjustable straps. And this is that elastic adjustable wig band right here that is for some reason apart, but it actually has hooks on it. So that's how it's adjustable with the hooks. It doesn't have the sliding mechanism. It has hooks like a bra hooks, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and hook it on the first one. All right, since I'm going to be trying this unit on. If you're eyeing this unit on my head, you guys, this is Camilla from the Kinky Baby collection from Zuri Sis or Sis Sister Wig. So that video should be uploaded before this one is uploaded. Now, I know these units do kind of favor each other, you guys, but I tell you, they are different units, okay? The difference in these two units, Camilla by Zuri Sis or Sis Sister Wigs, which is part of their Kinky Baby collection. This is a stationary part with a lace front. And this is an actual frontal by Janet collection, which is Oasis, a 13x6 frontal, which means you can part this in different ways. So that's the difference between these two units besides that color, all right? But they are similar. They do look similar. About this lace, look at that lace. Once again, those are the darkened roots. And that's that curl pattern. But look how close and similar they look alike, you guys. Look at that. So I'm going to go ahead on and cut the stock card off, you guys, and go ahead and try and style this unit for you guys really, really quick. And I'll be right back with you. Okay, you guys, as you can very well see, I am done styling Miss Oasis by Janet Collection. Once again, part of that Milk Collection. Transparent natural hairline with 13 by 6 frontal part. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and cut through the chase. Now, I know previously I reviewed Camilla by Zuri, part of their Kinky Baby collection. And it looks a lot like this unit. Now, the differences I've already explained to you guys, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you which unit that I think I would enjoy the most. I think I would have to go with the Zuri Sis, okay? And the reason for that is, even though it doesn't have the parting area, the reason for that is the fibers. For some reason, these fibers on this unit are frizzing more than the Zuri unit is, than Camilla is. Another reason is the cap is bigger on Camilla than on Oasis, okay? Oasis is kind of squeezing my brain a little bit, and I don't even have it on the last loop inside of the cap at all. And then I have this adjustable band, you guys, and it's not even staying together, so I don't like that either as well. But as for the color and the lace on this unit, you guys, I really, really like that. That is the only reason if I was to buy this unit will be for that. It's the color and the lace. It looks really, really good, you guys. It's flushing straight to the head, you guys. I don't have any type of adhesive at all on this unit. It is just straight on my head. But remember, this cap is kind of small, so you really don't even need that elastic band in my opinion, okay? You don't even need it. But that's just, you know, a little bit of teeth or whatever. That is my honest opinion about this unit. Do I like this unit? I like it, but I don't like it. I like the curls. I'm a curly girl. I like curls. But at the same time, you guys, I do not like a cap squeezing my brain. Other than that, do I think the unit is a purchase? Yes, if you can stand this cap. But I do know one thing, this cap is small, okay? It is small. It'll fit a small head. If you got a medium-sized head, you're going to barely get, you know, you like me, honey. You're going to barely get yourself in there, in my opinion, okay? You're going to barely get yourself in there. But just take that into consideration. But I am liking the color. It gets cool color points. It gets good lace points as well. I like the hairline on this unit. It is bomb. Now, let's go ahead on and talk about how much Miss Oasis can be found for. Let me go ahead and put it in my phone here. Okay, you guys, Oasis can be currently found on ebonyline.com for $33.99 using a discount code. She's also on Sam's Beauty for $35.99 as well. And those are just two of the sites that I found her on. Okay, you guys, I've shown you everything that I know about Miss Oasis. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. And for all those who are out there watching, you guys,